have hiccup problems? Well, if so, this pill may be for you. Now, this pill can cure hiccups in less than 10 seconds. It was developed by Michelle Pharmaceuticals, and to demonstrate this pill's powers, we have little Manchester here. As you can see, she has a bad case of the hiccups. Now, we're going to give this pill to her, and they will be gone in less than 10 seconds. All better?
All better. It worked.